Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download Msnbc app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you how to download Msnbc app. We'll start by opening up your Apple Store on your phone device. Once you open up your Apple Store on phone device, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the app, we're going to see the search bar. Tap on that. On the search bar, then make sure you type MSNBC. Then you're going to see the NBC app right there. Make sure you tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Scroll a little bit down until you see right there with that color. Then look on your right side, you're going to select the cloud and you're going to see the arrow pointing down. Make sure you tap on the cloud right there. Then you're going to start downloading. And that's how you download Msnbc app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.